Hello, my lovely Aquarius. I welcome you all in my channel and thank you so much for coming back in this video. And this is your bonus love messages. And thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I hope these messages will help you out in some manner. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, you can leave it out, and do let me know in the comment section what you want to know. So let's see what are the messages from the power of surrender cards. Help me out to give the message. Surrender the idea that you can fix someone. Surrender to the intuition and surrender to the magic of who you are. So Aquarius, first message is it's time for a relationship to shift. It doesn't work to try to fix someone. Each person must be accountable for his and her own healing. Surrender the idea that you can fix someone else. You cannot fix someone else, Aquarius. You can only work on yourself. Surrender to your intuitions. Yes, High Priestess energy is coming in each of the deck today. So Aquarius, tune into your inner voice. Be aware of any gut feelings, flashes, knowing of aha moments that you come through to guide you. Surrender to your intuitions. Be more aware be more aware and focus on your intuitions, Aquarius. Your intuition is guiding you, is trying to give you something, telling you something, so you have to be surrendered to your intuitions. Surrender to the magic of who you are. We all have magic in us, even in the mundane aspects of life. Remember that you are a magical being with a uniqueness and worth that comes from just being you. So Aquarius, I'm going to tell you that you are already a unique person, okay? You are magical beings, you are the magicians, you are the star. So you have to surrender to the magic of who you are. You have to trust yourself, okay? Any other message? Okay, any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? This was the yesterday message too. So yes, surrender to the wisdom of the body. Your body will tell you, Aquarius, what is right and what is wrong. So surrender to the wisdom of the body. Maybe your body is trying to give you some messages, okay? You listen to your body messages about a person or situation. If you feel physically drained or uncomfortable, be cautious. If you are energized and happy, move forward. Yes, very important message. Surrender resentments. Holding on to the resentments only poison you. Try to forgive others for their shortcomings and keep moving forward towards a positive situations in your life. Surrender resentments is a message. Surrender to sleep and rest. Again, rest and rejuvenating. Four of Wands energy. Health energy is indicated. To prevent burnout, slow down. Honor your need for quiet time and peaceful sleep to rejuvenate your mind, body and spirit. Sleepless nights. You cannot sleep properly. 0333 was the recording reading time. Some of you are not sleeping properly, not taking care of yourself. So surrender to the rest, Aquarius. Surrender to rest and sleep. You need to sleep and take care of yourself. Surrender to play. Take a break from overthinking a goal. Do something fun. Play is a time of recreation and rejuvenation. You need to surrender yourself to play, Aquarius. Don't overthink on something, okay? Any other message? Surrender fear. Surrender fear is a message. Let go of the fearful stories you are telling yourself. Stay in the moment, focus on solutions and celebrate every baby step forward. So yes, very important message. Surrender to your full power, Aquarius is your next message. Your life is calling for you to step into your full power rather than playing it small. You are very powerful, well-being, Aquarius. You are very powerful. If you do not know this, I'm going to tell you this here, that you are very powerful, okay? Any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? So many messages, so many cards. Okay, Any other message? Any other message? Okay. Okay. Again, so many messages. Today I'm having so many messages for you. Okay. Okay. Surrender stubbornness. If you're tensing up or taking a rigid stance about something, gently observe yourself and become more yielding. This will help you communicate more lovingly with others and yourself. You need to surrender your stubbornness, Aquarius. Surrender comparisons with other people's. Very important message. You keep your eyes trained on yourself. Focus on your own strength, attractiveness, and power. You do not have to compare yourself to others, Aquarius. Surrender frustration. Frustration doesn't open any door. The key to resolving a dilemma or dissolving a block is to take a deep breath, center yourself, and regroup so you may approach the situation more calmly. Surrender frustration, surrender fear. Okay, Aquarius, surrender to joy. A key to positive change in your life is to let joy in and savor it. Indulge in random acts of smiling during both the hard and easy times. Keep surrendering yourself to more joy. Surrender to joy is the message. And last message for you is surrender to receiving support and love. Allow the love and support of others in rather than trying to handle everything yourself. This can take the pressure off and simultaneously nurture you. Surrender to receive support and love. So these are the messages which you need to surrender. Okay, Aquarius. Thank you so much, Surrender deck, for giving the messages. And these are the beautiful messages. Let's see from the messages from Spellcasting Oracle, what are the messages for you? What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? I try my level best, Aquarius, to give as much as I can say, all the messages which I get for you. I try my level best. That's why I make more videos, because I want to deliver each of the messages which I got for you, which I am getting for you. So I tried my level best so that I can tell you each of the messages. What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Blessings. Blessings. You are getting your blessings, Aquarius. Yes, you have passed the test and you are getting your blessings in your life. Be open to receive your blessings, Aquarius. You are getting your blessings. Wow. Wow. You are reconciling for sure. Wow, 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 wow. Wonderful. Thank you, universe, for giving a beautiful message for you. Blessing is there, and the blessing is reconciliation. You are going to reconciliate. Okay? Reconnection, reconciliation is there with love. Wow. You are getting your blessing, Aquarius, because you passed the test. You're getting your reconciliation card. Okay, you're getting your blessing of reconciliation. You're getting your love back. Wow. And bottom of the deck, I'm having new beginnings. New beginning. Yes, beautiful message. This is your soulmate, your love, who is entering back in your life. You are getting your blessing. Your reconciliation is happening in your life. Okay, so these three are the cards, and very positive, beautiful cards. This is showing me that you are getting your love back. You are getting your blessing. Blessing is reconciliation. Clarity. You're getting your clarity back. Yes, you are getting your clarity back. And some of you are going to travel. Travel card indicated means that whether you're going to take a trip through air, bus, train, you're traveling a journey, or you are going to start a new chapter of your life. Travel card has two meanings. So if you are traveling, so please take care of yourself, okay? Take all the safety measures with you. And the other meaning is that you are starting a new chapter in your life. You are traveling, you're taking a new journey of your life. Any other message? Prosperity. Prosperity is there for you. You're getting your blessings, Aquarius. You are already a blessed person. Happiness. See, so many beautiful positive messages I'm getting for you. Love, prosperity, happiness. You're getting your blessings from the universe. Proud of you. See, these are all the blessings for you are getting, Aquarius. You are getting transformed. Transformation is happening for you. Transformation, a butterfly. You are getting your blessings for sure. You will be more, you are getting your psychic abilities more active now. Your third eye is now open. You are getting more intuitive. 1111 was the recording reading time. You are getting more intuitive now. You are getting your blessings from the universe, from the, maybe some of you are getting pregnant with the fertility card, or you are birthing a new idea, new relationship, new career. Fertility card is there, so some of you are going to get pregnant. And dreams, you are getting some dreams come true in your life, or your dream is telling you something, trying to give you some message through dreams. You're getting all the blessings from the universe, from the divine. See, spirit guide, you are blessed. You are being protected by the spirit guide. It's there around you, who is guiding you. You are not alone, Aquarius. You are getting your spirit guide with you. Truth. Truth. You know the truth now. You know the truth now. You're getting your truth now. Okay, any other message? Healing. Very important. You're getting your healing. You are getting your healing, and it was there too in the next card. Now they're going to be asking me to stop here. Okay, I will stop. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message, Aquarius. So you are getting your blessings of prosperity, happiness, healing, okay, psychic abilities. You're getting your, and love. You are getting so many blessings. Can you see? Can you see you are getting your blessings back? Wow, wonderful. And reconciliation is there in love for sure. This is a confirmation that you are getting reconciliation in love from your soulmate, and you're getting your blessings. Beautiful. You're getting transformed because you know the truth and clarity. Both are there. So you're getting your clarity and truth. That's why you're getting transformed. Some of you are getting pregnant. May get pregnant, and if you don't want it, that's your choice. You can take precautions. Okay, so yeah, next card is what are the messages from the guides. So let's see what are the messages from the guides. What are the messages? What are the messages for Aquarius? Trust your intuition. Again, you are getting your intuitions high, Aquarius, because you are removing toxicity out of your life. Death is an illusion is the first message from your guides. Everyone has a value, okay? Even you has a value, so everyone has a value. And understand your body. Again, your body is trying to give you some messages, Aquarius. Understand your body. Any other message? Patience is a virtue. And next message is very important and very important and very important. I'm going to repeat it again and again because it's coming again for you. 1441 was the recording reading time. Release toxic relationships. Release toxic relationships. Okay, So this is very important message from your guides. They are trying to tell you, never judge another. Okay, you do not have to judge another. Leave them on the divine. Divine will take care of them and their karmas. Just release toxic relationships from your life. Feel joy in all you do. Feel joy in all you do is your next message. Any other message? Take responsibility for your actions. Okay. Any other message for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Express your feelings. Aquarius, you need to express your feelings. Okay. Any other message? Any other message? Abundance is your right. Know your truth is bottom of the deck I'm having, and they're asking me to stop here. Okay. Know your truth. That abundance is your right. Okay. No one can take this right from you. Release toxic relationships, Aquarius. It's coming again for you in every single reading. You can have a look on others videos, other day video which I posted, and it's coming again that you need to release your toxic relationships, and you are putting an end, you are releasing it. That's why you're getting your gifts. Let's see what are the vintage wisdom oracle is having. Let's see. I love my decks. Thank you so much, God, universe, divine. I'm in love with my decks. I love doing this. I love doing these messages, these readings, because it gives me peace. Okay, Aquarius, it gives me very nice feeling that at least I am helping you out in some manner. Okay, and I'm here to give you, to help you out in every possible manner. So that's why I every time say you that you can ask me anything if you want to ask. What are the messages? Release. See again, release, Aquarius, release negativity, release toxic relationships, release any negativity around you. Release is a card for you. Any other? Intention. Intention card is there. Any other message? Protection. Yes, you need to protect your energy from negativity, Aquarius. You need to protect yourself. Protection is there. Okay. Release. Balance. Get back your balance, or you are getting your balance, Aquarius. Balance is there. You are getting balance back in your life. Okay, you're getting back your balance. Thought is the next message. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Any other message? Any other message? Dreams. Again, dreams have fallen out. Okay. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver? Okay, stop. Healing. Bottom of the deck I'm having healing. So healing is happening for sure for you, Aquarius. Wow. Dreams. You have to more focus on your dreams. Maybe dreams is trying to tell you something, Aquarius. Listening. You need to listen your dreams. Okay, listen to the nature, listen to the birds, animal around you. Maybe they are trying to convey some message to you. And surrender to the divine time, because next card is surrender. Surrender, divine timing. So yes, you need to surrender your divine timing. Okay, trust the universe that they are having best plans for you. Okay, so you need to surrender yourself to the divine. Surrender, divine timing, both is there. And you are surrendering yourself. If you're not surrendering yourself, you need to surrender yourself to the divine. Have trust in divine. Okay, last message is wisdom. You're getting more wisdom in you. You're getting more intuitive in you. Okay, so these are the messages for you, Aquarius. Beautiful message and very powerful message, I can say. Okay, very powerful messages for you. Let's see what are the messages from Power of Love. Should I do? No. I will use this deck in soulmate reading. Okay, I'm not going to use this right now. Okay, I am going to use Oracle of Fairy. Okay, let's see what Fairy wants to tell us. And these cards are also very beautiful and wonderful. The colors of the card, I love the colors. I love the colors. Let's see what does you Fairy wants to tell us. Oracle of Fairy. Let's see what are the messages. It was stop. Okay, so it was stop in between. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from Fairy Oracle, which I need to deliver? Help me out. Help me out to give the messages. Okay. Any other message? Any other message which I need to give? Believe in magic. Okay. Any other message which I need to give? Any other message which I need to give? Magical Gateway. Any other message which I need to give to my Aquarius all over the world? Any other message? Asking me to stop. Okay, I will stop here. Okay, so first message is Aquarius. Find balance is your first message. And this says find the balance between your work, rest and playtime, and you will have more energy, harmony and productivity in your life. Take a power nap. Aquarius, you need to take care of yourself. Maybe you are not having a balance, you're not sleeping properly. You need to take care of yourself. Okay, Aquarius? Find balance. Balance is very important. Solitude is your next message. Solitude. So think of being alone as a meaning you are all one and in total harmony with everything. The greatest treasures are those that wait silently during your quiet time. Solitude is your next message. Next message is manifestation. Be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest in your life. Now write it down on paper. Manifestation step 1. So very clear, be very clear, Aquarius, what you want, okay? Don't confuse yourself and universe. Be clear. Music. Again, music is indicated in your reading again. So listen carefully for there may be a message in the music you hear, Aquarius. Music can lift your soul, rekindle memories and charm fairies you done. Okay, so music is there, so listen to the music. Maybe music there are some messages in the music, so listen to the music. Hidden depth. Something is hidden is about to come to light. Perhaps a secret or memory at the back of your mind. When we expose what's hidden, we can become free. So hidden depths are coming to the light, Aquarius. You do not have to worry about it. It is coming your way. This was the last message. Inner child. The fairy of playfulness remind you to make time to embrace your inner child. Playing keeps you young at heart. Do something silly and fun, but stay safe. Okay, so you need to heal your inner child. Be more Aquarius. Do whatever your inner child wish to do. Play somewhere. Okay, so do whatever your inner child wants to do. So it's very important that you have to listen to your inner child. Moderation is there. Okay, so Aquarius, is there something you should not be eating? Try to eat mindfully and healthy. Although the fairy says that there is little bit about what you fancy is fine. Okay, please have a look on this message. Moderation, that whatever a little bit of what you fancy is fine, but eat healthy and peaceful. Okay, moderation. Protection. The fairies of protection are shielding you with a magical fairy ring of love and light. Practice psychic protection before embarking any spiritual work. Protection is there from the fairies. And can you see how beautiful these fairies are? Colorful blue, green, white, pink. Wow. Motivation. When spring approaches, the flower fairies urge you to spring into action. Is there something you have been merely thinking about doing? They say get busy and do it. Okay? There is something you want to do it, go ahead, Aquarius. You have to start that thing. Okay? Next message is believe in magic. Open your eyes and see the magic that's all around in nature. The fairy of northern light says you are a part of nature, so you are magical too. Okay? So this is very important that you need to believe in magic. 0444 was the recording reading time. Magical gateway. It's take courage to trust your venture into an unknown, yet there is where the greatest rewards are. It's time to step boldly forward without looking back. Can you see the gate is open and this is girl is entering the light and there is light here. Okay, so very important, Aquarius. So these are the messages from Fairy Oracle deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius all over the world. Let's add the last message from the Grace self-care cards. Okay, self-care cards is there, so let's add some messages from this, and I will stop the message from here, and in the next video I am going to do your soulmate reading. Okay, so let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Creativity, passion. Creativity is the first message. Express your creativity. Delight in the mystery of your inner muse. Creativity is the first message for you. Next is passion. Very important message, Aquarius. Reshoot a childhood dream. Let your passion take a flight. Okay. Creativity and passion both are there. Let's see any other message. Clearing. Yes, important message. Clearing. Clear the clutter. When in doubt, throw it out. Clearing is an important message for you. Let me see. Okay. Rest. Rest is indicated in every deck. Rest and relax. Release guilt and make your needs a top priority. Okay, Aquarius, that's very important to keep focus on yourself. Achievement is your next message. Chase your dreams, Aquarius. You may be surprised by where they lead you. Okay, so chase your dreams. Silence. Rest your mind. Silence is a good self-care. Silence is the next message. Any other message? Again, release has come. Release has come again. Have a good cry. Okay, Aquarius. Grief is a doorway to your deepest self. So it's time to release your let go of toxic things. Self-love is indicated. Care for your body. Self-love and self-acceptance are the ultimate acts of self-love. Self-love is there. Actions. Take action. The journey to find your lost self begins with one step. So take actions, Aquarius. Time to release. Release anything. Any other message? Reflect and risk. Okay. Keep your eyes open. Joy lives in small places. Okay, Aquarius. Risk. Take a risk. You have the power within to move mountains. Very beautiful and powerful message. You have a power within to move mountains. You have to take a risk. Take a risk. Patience. Patience is there. Be patient. Be willing to pass up a good for great. Tenderness. Speak gently to yourself. Cherish the child within. Yes, you need to work on your inner child, Aquarius. Maybe there is you need healing on the things which you felt during childhood. You need to heal your childhood. Your child, your inner child. You need to more focus on your inner child. Any other message? Any other message for Aquarius which I need to deliver? Wow. Blessings. Count your blessings. A grateful heart attracts more joy, love and prosperity. Yes, blessings is there, Aquarius, and you need to count it. Beautiful, wonderful and powerful. Any other message which I need to give them? Any other message? Time. Schedule your scare date with yourself. You deserve time for your life. Time. Any other message? 1 minute. Any other message? Faith. And I'm stopping here. Okay, have faith. Faith grows when you act without knowing the end result. So have faith, Aquarius. So these are the important message. Once you release any negativity from your life, you will get your blessings, and you are getting your blessings, Aquarius. That's very important message for you today, that you are getting your blessings. Count your blessings. You're getting your blessings very soon. Okay, you are getting your blessings now because you have done your part. Now it's your time to receive your blessings from the universe. So these are the messages which I got for you from each deck of mine. I hope it helped you out in some manner, and see you soon, Aquarius, in my next video, in which I'm going to do your soulmate love reading, and I'm going to tell you what your life purpose is. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what is your life purpose. Okay, so I will use this deck in that, and I'm going to use crazy sexy love notes and power of love. So these are 3 decks which I'm going to use in that video, in your soulmate reading. Okay, so till the time, take care, Aquarius, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more messages. Okay, Aquarius, take care of yourself and stay safe. See you soon, Aquarius.